Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you a pre-owned unit that we have right now. This is the 2021 Coachman Spirit 2146 BHX. So this is a family ideal for a big family that has a ton truck for towing. This unit is 7,000 pounds fully loaded, and as you can see, it's got two 20-pound propane tanks, integrated A-frame, an electric front jack. And as we move along around here, this has got good pass-through storage, really nice solid stepped flip double axle, and an outside kitchen with a 12-volt fridge. One of the nice features this unit has is this back door that allows you to load it up from outside. Here we are on the inside, and you can see a 4-people dinette here that also transforms into a bed. L-shaped countertop with a 12-volt fridge. This unit also has about 100 watts of solar on the roof that help maintain the battery that runs this fridge. As you can see, it's got a top bunk, double top bunk over there. Pretty good pantry right here. There's a TV that comes with it that mounts right over there. And here's the bathroom with a sink in the bathroom. Got a medicine cabinet as well. Another thing that makes this unit kind of unique is their Murphy bed setup. It is kind of different for sure, but I'll show you the upside for it. For one, with the bed up, you get the couch, a bit more space, and when you put the bed down, this allows you to have a one-piece mattress that can be replaced with a different mattress if you want. With most Murphy beds, when they fold in half, you're kind of stuck with that mattress. And then with the bed down, you also get a really good window with natural light. Again, this is Raul at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa. If you'd like to see this unit and many others that we have like it, please stop by.